Okay, we began a unit on probability today, and today we worked on sample spaces. The reason sample spaces are important is because probability is defined as the number of favorable outcomes divided by the number of possible outcomes. And before you can calculate probability, you need to know all the possible outcomes. So this is a good example of problem 1. Sharon is trying to guess the price of an MP3 player on a game show. The numbers in the price of the MP3 player are 1, 2, and 3. If numbers are not repeated in the price of the MP3 player, list all the possible prices. So we have three digits in the price of the MP3 player. So we have the first number in the price, the second number, and the third number. So the first number could be a 1, a 2, or a 3. If the first number in the price is 1, the second number could only be 2 or a 3. And if the first number is a 1 and the second number is a 2, the third number must be a 3. It says the numbers are not repeated. So this next branch on our tree diagram, the first number is a 1, the second number is a 3, the last number must be a 2. And we'll finish our tree diagram the same way. If the first number is a 2, the second number could only be a 1 or a 3. And then here the last number would need to be a 3, and here the last number would need to be a 1. If the first number is a 3, the second number could only be a 1 or a 2. And so the last number here would be 2, and the last number here would be 1. So the possible prices would be $123, $132, $213, $231, $312, or $321. And this is known as the sample space. All the possible prices, all the possible outcomes. Okay, this is going to seem like this homework assignment at first is going to seem pretty difficult, but if you follow the example we just did, and if you look at the example on the front half of the first page, you'll get the idea. There are two different ways of doing this. You could do a tree diagram like we just did, or you could do a table, a list in a table, and both of those methods are shown on that first example on the front page of your homework. So do your best on the 4 on the back page, and I'll see you in the morning.